Finally, guys, finally we have rain. All the chickens are hiding right now. This is the morning I feed them before I go to work, but it's finally raining. It's definitely good for the garden. It's been a dry season. Yeah, this year I don't ever remember it being this dry, but finally we have rain. It's good in a way. Keeps the dirt kind of moist, but it's definitely a good thing for our garden. The chickens are they're doing pretty well. But yeah, the good news today is the rain.